Hi, in today's video I'm going to be talking about keeping clean and keeping safe in your home and when you're out and about, and I'll be going through some of the government's guidance on this. I'm going to put a link to a couple of websites. One is the NHS website and the other is the government website. Now the government one is a really important one because information on us keeping safe is changing all the time, and anything new that comes out the government will put onto that page, so I'm going to put a link to that below. The first thing is about walking outside. Now we are allowed to go outside for shopping, for essential supplies and for medicines, and for going to work if you cannot work from home and if you're in an essential service, and we're allowed to go outside for exercise once a day as well. So if you are walking outside, we need to keep a distance of at least 2 meters from other people around us. Now, when you are walking on a pavement, this might mean that you have to step around obstacles or cars to be able to keep that safe distance away from other people, and wait to let people pass you if they are approaching as well. If there's a narrow part of the pavement, walk through it as quickly as possible. Where there is space and you see someone approaching, stand to one side so that they can walk past it safely. If you are a family walking together outside, the recommendation is that one person stays in the centre and other people are around the outside, so that anyone coming towards you can see that there's a group of people there and they can take appropriate precautions, like maybe crossing over the road or moving to a safe distance. If someone does come closer to you than the 2 meters recommended, it's nothing to get anxious or panic about. As long as they are not coughing, you are safe, and similarly, as long as you're not coughing, then they are safe as well. But do try at all times to keep that distance, because it's better to be safe. Now, the next point is around face masks. You may have seen a lot of people wearing face masks. These really prevent any droplets from you getting onto other people, especially if you are coughing. But obviously, if you do have a persistent cough, you shouldn't really be going out at all. You can wrap a scarf around your mouth as well, mouth and nose. If you can, slip a piece of paper or card into the front, because that will stop any particles being absorbed into the fabric and getting through to you as well. And that's just to be extra safe. Now, some of us might be worried about touching surfaces or touching door handles, opening doors when we are going out and about to the shops. The supermarkets and shops and working premises are trying really hard to keep their premises hygienic at this time, and they're cleaning a lot more often. However, we still do need to take precautions. The virus does survive longer on hard surfaces, so we need to minimise our contact with that and also make sure that we wash our hands regularly. Recently, only a day or two ago, the government did issue guidance saying that we don't have to wash all our shopping when we bring it in, all the packaging, and that's because factory production lines are kept very hygienic as well. However, obviously make sure that you do wash any fruits and vegetables before you eat them. As far as deliveries are concerned, once you receive a package, you can wipe it down on the outside, or you can take your product out of the packaging and then wash your hands well after you've thrown the packaging away. There's some guidance from a microbiologist who said it's important to wipe your phone down at least once a day, maybe twice a day, with a little bit of disinfectant as well, because that is somewhere that germs can collect. You can wear gloves if you'd like to wear gloves when you go out, but there's no point wearing gloves that are woolly. If you have some of the latex gloves that people wear in hospitals, then those are the kind of gloves that are okay to wear out. Woolly gloves will just absorb any virus, so there's no point. You are okay not to wear gloves also. Again, just make sure that you wash your hands as soon as you get back in. Now, in your home, a quick reminder about door safety. If someone knocks on your door and you don't know who they are, please check before opening, or don't open the door. You can talk to them through a window just to check why they are there. When you're expecting deliveries, delivery people will drop off the package and stand back to ensure that you received it, where they need to wait to make sure that you've got it. As far as cleaning your home is concerned, you can clean as you normally would do. Pay extra attention to bathroom and kitchen areas. If someone in the household has got symptoms, then you've got to maybe clean a little bit more often, and try and give them separate towels to use, being particularly careful around the bathroom and kitchen area. The normal cleaning methods we use in a home do kill the virus. It's important to disinfect regularly, and that includes surfaces, your phone, door handles, etc. It's important to use soap as well. Soap is absolutely fine. Soap does kill the virus. It breaks down the outer lining of the virus, and then it can't survive. So it's perfectly okay to use soap, and important to use soap to wash your hands with as well. Any virus on your clothes can be removed by washing your clothes. So you can carry on with your normal cleaning regime at home and your normal clothes washing routine. Now, as we're talking about cleaning, a lot of people are taking this opportunity to have a spring clean, or maybe look through their wardrobes and to have a bit of a sort out. Remember, if you are doing that, to make several piles. One pile of stuff that you want to keep, one that you might want to donate in the future, or another pile that you might not be suitable for donating. So with clothes, what you can do is repurpose those items, maybe tear them up and use them as cleaning cloths, maybe make a face mask out of them. And then when this lockdown is over, anything that you want to recycle or donate, you can take to your favourite charity shop as well. Okay, well, that's it for today. If there's anything else you'd like to know about, or if you have any questions on what we've discussed today, then please do drop me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, take care and be safe.